And then, Kunal Padare and Shirley Kutina, and then Sagar Aras from Mysore, and Amit Sarogi, again, former chairman of Clefman, very energetic guy from Calcutta, all the way he's joining, representing Anmol Group, and we will listen to him when his presentation starts. I think now we are on live YouTube, sharp 10:30. Sir, Rade sir, shall I start?
Yeah, sure, you can start.
So good morning everyone who is watching in Zoom, in Hybrid's TV, and then in Facebook from Calcutta, and then in our YouTube channel CPDO TI. It's really amazing, to get connected each other like this. In the period of 2020, probably the blessing, what I would say, is digital connectivity. Corona brought us digital connectivity. Can you imagine, Mumbai, Mangalore, Mysore, Alibag, Calcutta, coming onto a single platform? Probably not earlier. So now because of the Corona and because of Zoom, I think a great innovation happened and we're all connected, and now it is going across the globe. So now we are virtually live, means anybody can watch from any part of the world. So just to give an understanding of our program, CPDO TI started 3 concepts. One is Anvam Entrepreneurs Day, and entrepreneurship and awareness in Poultry Week, and then we started online discussion forums. So these 3 concepts are basically Awareness Week, which we ran from 22nd is to bring an awareness on poultry entrepreneurship, and which we are culminating today with an Entrepreneurs Day. That means real people who have done it, they will be showcasing their stories. Then online discussion forum is a concept which we did it in such a way that in-depth analysis of a subject can be done. So in-depth analysis of a subject in the sense, first we did for alternate species on poultry, then we went into bringing in all the poultry training facilities. Can you believe Venkateshwara Institute, Suguna Institute, Hosur Institute, Kerala Institute, all that was brought into online platform. These are all very much available on our YouTube channel, and we have created a wall of poultry. You can see I'm just panning my camera. So this is the wall of poultry with their all digital frames done in the earlier programs. So that is how we have been doing such a nice work with the collaboration of the people around India. So just to give an overview of what is happening right now, why are we pushing so much of India is, as Honorable Prime Minister said, world order is changing. World order is changing. The era of America is gone. The era of China is gone. The era of India has come in now in this decade. After the 75 years of independence, now we are creating inspirational stories. Can you believe unicorns? You all know that what is a unicorn? Unicorn is $1 billion valuation, which we were never used to understand earlier. Now 38 unicorns, 38. And in 2020 alone, 12 unicorns were formed in India. And I will give you another interesting story. It is Bangalore, which is the epicenter now. Earlier, Shanghai was the epicenter. Then it will move to, Silicon Valley was the first epicenter. Shanghai was the second epicenter. Now the epicenter is Bangalore. Bangalore is a happening place now. Can you believe 14 unicorns are born in Bangalore? So that is the attraction which we are putting into. Welcome, Sarajji. So next, if you see what is happening in the other concept, I don't know how many of you know about this, Soonicorns. Soonicorns means soon there will be unicorns. So such numbers are there in Bangalore, 64. 64 is the number in Bangalore. And I'm saying that with all the confidence that now is the time that it is happening for the youth. It is happening in the country. I'll just give a small story of 2 young guys who belong to Karnataka again in Shimaga village. They grew up, and one guy did an engineering in Bangalore Institute of Technology. Mr. Nitin Kamath. Mr. Nitin Kamath did just an engineering, and he was trading by influence of Marwadi friends around his home. Can you believe today the brothers Nikhil and Nitin? Nikhil is a dropout from school. He wanted to be a chess champion. Youngest billionaires now. And then they have proved it that they gave a run for the money for ICICI and HDFC, because now they are the biggest traders in the country, with a transaction of 2.5 million orders a day, 2.5 million orders a day trading. So why I am giving this story is that is possible now. Anybody can dream. The likes of Amit, the likes of Dr. Sharad, Sagar, Kunal, Shirley, and then, our Manjit who is joining, they will be soon, I would say that, Soonicorns. We don't want trillionaires here. India doesn't want Amazons. India doesn't want Walmart. India wants more of, billionaires like you who can give an equity. So coming into my sector, I would say one word before I hand over to our Ranade sir. Our sector is 1.5 lakh crore contributing, equal to TCS, Tata Consultancy Services, #1 in the world. But what is the employment Tata Consultancy Services giving? Only 5 lakh people. But our sector is giving 6 million people. 6 million people are employed. That is the equity distribution which we are looking at in our sector. To conclude and to give an inspiration for you all, Nitin Kamath, I'll take his name, and he quoted, we as managers, in the sense, we are administrators, we are managers, think that what if it fails? And then we prepare for that. But you as a founders will think on an idea, what if it clicks? That is what has made you here. So we thought that what if it fails? That's why we joined government. We, including Professor Ranade sir, we are very good preachers. But if you put us into practicing, probably I may not click. I don't know about Ranade sir. That is what the interesting thing for you. That means you have brought an idea that you thought, what if it clicks? That is the story of Ideal Chicken. That is the story of Anmol Feeds. That is the story of, our Mysore Nati chicken, our Kuku Chiku, or our Amruta chicken, or our Manjit. With this background of inspiration, we are in a super highway now. Soonicorns are there in our sector too. To conclude that, there are now Licious, Fresh to Home, Tender Cuts, Delhi Bazaars with a funding of $100 million. So now money is everywhere in the poultry sector. Can you believe McKinsey is coming? Can you believe Goose is coming? Can you believe KPMG is making a report on poultry? That is the good news for all of you. So we are in a super highway. Now I will promise all the entrepreneurs who are with us that success story is guaranteed. In the poultry, if you work hard, like the panel which you see here. With this, I hand over to my guru, Professor Ranade sir, and my mentor to inaugurate this Entrepreneurs Day, which we did in a conceptual mode to create a story around that, and we will be bringing in an app in the near future so that press of a button, Sagar's story can be heard, Kunal's story can be heard, Shirley's story can be heard. That will be the future now. Dr. Sharad's story or Amit's story. We are bringing in an app in the near future. With this introductory board on remarks, I will hand over to Dr. Ajit Ranade sir for the inaugural address. Sir. Now it's time to introduce the first speaker and our good friend Amit Kumar Sarogi. And we have spent almost 2 decades of friendship and even morning walks in Goa, in Mumbai and other things. So that is a dream we set with and go with a friendship. So that is how we bring in everybody together. Amit Sarogi is a co-founder and managing director of Anmol Feeds Private Limited. He started this enterprise in 2000 in the age of 23. And can you believe he is a graduate from my city, Bangalore, and MS Ramaya Institute of Technology, wherein he graduated. Further, he added many more to his group because of the paucity of the time. I don't say the achievements of Amit Kumar Sarogi. What I would say is today, the company Anmol Feeds is producing 1,300 metric tons per day. 1,300 metric tons per day. As he said, feed ka king of feed in, I think, western part of India. So their group from 20 years has put in such a great effort. If I list the awards, the first award to be mentioned for the group is National Award in USA. National Award 2009 in poultry. First poultry industry in micro, small, medium enterprise to receive it. First poultry enterprise to receive an award from USA. And then the list goes on to give you our latest one is Agri-Business Entrepreneur of the Year 2020. And then Outlook magazine covered specifically on Anmol Feeds and Amit Sarogi as the entrepreneur to watch in for the future. And there are many Brand of the Year, Dream Company of the Year, West Bengal Best Employee Year, Fish Feed Miller Award, etc., etc., etc. I don't want to embarrass Amit by going on listing it. See, this is the hardship one has to dream. See, he has started his venture in Bihar, now going for Pan India. And he is an engineering graduate from Bangalore. See the relations. Bangalore to Bihar to brand India. That is what I would call Amit now. All over to Amit Sorogi for the session ahead.
Thank you, Dr. Mahesh, for your kind words. I still remember we are the only two early risers, and we end up doing our morning walks during all our Klafma AGMs meetings. So, and we both of us have discussed a lot about this industry. Dr. Ajit Ranade, I met him 20 years back when first time we went to Goa Klafma. And we have been listening to him, learning from him. And I think in nutrition, he is one of the most knowledgeable in poultry nutrition. He is the most knowledgeable person in the industry. We have been going to him with our feed list, additives list, and he has been helping the industry without any personal benefit, just for a national cause, for the love of the industry. I see a lot of young fellow panelists, and it was and it is always my dream that we should make poultry business such a glamorous business that people should come from Harvard, Stanford, study and come back to start poultry business. Because till today, I think there is some change in last 1 to 2 years, but we are not attracting the best brains to our agriculture and poultry industry. But these things have changed in last 2 years. This pandemic has taught everyone the importance of agriculture. When all the business has stopped, poultry, food were the only businesses which were allowed by Government of India, and everybody realized what is essential, what is non-essential. So the only essential things in life is food, medicines, electricity, internet, banking. Whatever, these things were only open during the lockdown, first, second phase of the lockdown. So this is what, so this industry has a great future. It has to grow. We are Indian people, our income is increasing. More and more people are climbing up the food chain. And as you know, as people get richer, demand for protein increases, and the poultry is the best source of protein for any human being as well as any animal also. So as this is an entrepreneurship seminar, and I understand that we have lot of young entrepreneurs and wannabe entrepreneurs who want to enter the business. Entrepreneur is a nice word right now. After this internet boom has started. When we started 20 years back, entrepreneurship was not a nice word. If you are coming from a background of a small village from Bihar. I was born in a small village in Bihar called Ramnagar, and my initial schooling was there. That time it was called mini Chambal of India. 5 o'clock, everything used to stop. We can't venture out of our home after 5 o'clock. It was, and still it is one of the backward most area in India. It is on India-Nepal border. So we came from that background, and from that background, nobody can ever think that one day when I'll become 44-year-old, we will have a company called Anmol Feeds. I will have the privilege of becoming past chairman of Klafma. This all has happened because of entrepreneurship, and this all has happened because of our great country called India. The people of India, the opportunities you get when you are hardworking, you have perseverance. So I will like to tell you the story that how all it started. So I joined Bangalore as to study engineering. But second year of the college only, I decided that I don't want to do any job. I want to do entrepreneurship. This was in the year 1996. Nobody ever used to think about entrepreneurship in those days. There was no concept of startup. If you are doing something in college, you were looked down. कि अरे ये तो पढ़ाई में सीरियस नहीं है, अपने पेरेंट्स का पैसा बर्बाद करता है, इधर उधर बिजनेस का सोचता है. This I'm talking 24 years back. So during my second college, when I used to go home, we had a family shop at a place called Ramnagar. So my chacha used to take an annual holiday. And what I realized, he used to sell all in a village, in a small town, you have a shop where you sell everything, fertilizer, all kind of food items. So he used to sell everything, oil, food items, everything. So what I realized, that he was a distributor of a feed company. And there was a huge demand for feed company, and that feed company was not able to supply. You have to put this for, you have to give a draft for 10 days. And the material used to come in 10 days. So we realized that there is a huge gap between demand and supply. Then I went to, there is an institute in Mysore, I think CFTRI, Central Food Research Institute. We went there, we asked for a project report that we want to start a poultry feed business during my college time only. Then once the college got over, I came back to Muzaffarpur, Bihar. So that thing was always there that I have to do poultry business, and there was no technology available, there was no internet available, there was no book available, there was no one who can guide us how you can make pellet feed. There was only one or two companies making pellet feed in India, and they were highly secretive. They were not ready to share technology with anyone. So we had rented premises in Muzaffarpur with the help of my father. We invested that time 2 lakh rupees, and we started this poultry feed thing. We never had a boiler. We never knew that to produce poultry feed pellet, you need a boiler. We used to use molasses, and I used to sit near the pellet machine, putting up a chair, and I have done everything with my hands, like putting up, taking out the material, climbing up on the machine, sieving the bags. I have not loaded the material on my own, but I have helped the labor. Like sometimes it is late, customer is demanding, and we don't have system. So we have helped the labor कि चलो मैं भी तुमको मदद कर देता हूँ, ये ट्रक आ गया तो इसको तुम लोड कर दो. So like then 2000 CLAFMA I went September. Then I realized that this industry is so big. There is so much knowledge which is available. Before that, we never knew that there was any knowledge which is available. We got in touch with people like Dr. Ajit Ranade, people like that time Dr. Anaukar was there, Dr. Chadha was there. Like there were industry stalwarts. And one thing was that they were always willing to help. They were always willing to share knowledge. So then after that, first factory we started in Muzaffarpur, second in 2004 in Calcutta, third factory in 2011 in Lucknow, then 2016 another factory in Ranchi, 2017 floating fish feed plant at Calcutta, 2018 poultry feed plant at Jammu. We have another planning of setting up a floating fish feed plant at Muzaffarpur and a shrimp feed plant at Calcutta. The project is ongoing. We are a zero debt company. Last year we had a turnover of more than 600 crores. This year, if we leave the first 3 poultry months of April, May, June, which were affected by pandemic, we will grow we will grow much more compared to the last year. We are focusing a lot in doing training to the farmers. We work a lot with the farmers. The one big thing which gives me satisfaction today, that this entrepreneurship, we have tried to share the knowledge. हम लोगों ने, I understand, Dr. Mahesh, most of the people understand Hindi, so I will use some Hindi words.
Yeah, no problem.
तो हम लोगों को लगता है कि पिछले 20 साल में हम लोगों ने, हमारी कंपनी ने और हम लोगों ने 500 फैमिलीज को करोड़पति बनाया है और करोड़पति बनाने में मदद किया है. ये लोग हमारे मक्का के फार्मर्स हैं, राइस ब्रान के फार्मर्स हैं, ये लोग हमारे ब्रॉयलर के फार्मर हैं, ये लोग हमारे ब्रॉयलर के डीलर्स हैं, रिटेलर्स हैं. हमारे पास 20 एग्जाम्पल ऐसे हैं कि जिन्होंने हमारे से फार्मिंग से शुरू किया, एंड दे आर रनिंग देयर स्मॉल फीड मिल्स. किसी डीलर ने हमको कहा कि सर मैं फीड मिल डालना चाहता हूं, वी ऑलवेज एनकरेज. उसने पूछा डीसीपी कहाँ से मिलेगा, फॉर्मूला कहाँ से मिलेगा, मशीन कहाँ से मिलेगा, बॉयलर कहाँ से मिलेगा. वी हैव ऑलवेज एनकरेज पीपल टू डेवलप. हम लोगों ने हमेशा फार्मर के साथ किया है, फार्मर के साथ फोकस किया है. हमारे कस्टमर इसलिए आगे बढ़े हैं, हमारे इकोसिस्टम में जो लोग आगे बढ़े हैं, वी हैव ऑलवेज डन बिजनेस विथ एम्पैथी. वी हैव ऑलवेज थॉट कि वॉट एवर वी आर डूइंग, ये सामने वाले के दिमाग में उसको क्या बेनिफिट होगा. वी हैव ऑलवेज डन बिजनेस विथ दिस थॉट कि हाउ यू कैन बेनिफिट our employees, our customers, our farmers, because we strongly believe कि if these people are benefited, our benefit will come as a byproduct of their benefit. We are dealing directly with 50,000 farmer families. 2.5 lakh log, 50,000 farmer families are directly dependent on us for our employment. These 55,000 families, we are giving them all kind of technical support, moral support. Even we help them from our CSR funds also. कोई उनके घर में education के लिए कुछ चाहिए, we try to help. We consider these 50,000 farmer families as our own. And we all know कि this reverse migration has happened in pandemic. India is talking about Atmanirbhar, vocal for local. So this fishery, poultry, dairy are the biggest employment generator and can be biggest employment generator for our youth, which are educated, but they are unskilled in any particular vocation. It is very easy to start any youth to start a poultry farm. They can start a poultry farm and they can get on-job training. There are companies like us, there are institutes like CPDO, there are institutes like IPMT, private companies also. We also train farmers in 10-20 batches. So the biggest satisfaction which gives us, one entrepreneur has created 51,000 entrepreneurs, 50,000 our farmers, 1,000 our direct dealers. And I have 3 things I have always understood, I always believed, coming from Bihar, coming from a small town. Like when 20 years back we used to go to the industry, nobody used to take us seriously. अरे ये बिहार से आया है, इसको क्या पता है, इसको क्या जानकारी है, ये लोग you know how the image is was. अभी तो बिहार का इमेज बहुत बढ़िया है. तो how the image was. तो but because of people like Dr. Ranade, Dr. Mahesh, Dr. Other people who are there in cloth point industry, they have always supported us. We have, हम लोगों ने एक चीज हमेशा ध्यान रखी कि never feel shy of asking questions. If anybody who knows me from last 15 years, they all know कि in any meeting, if someone is asking first question, that is me. And everybody knows कि ये पहला question पूछेगा. After meeting, lot of people have told me कि why you only ask questions, let the meeting finish on time, because of you we always stretch the meetings. But these questions have benefited me as well as the panelists and the industry. So never feel shy of asking question. दूसरा है, lot of up down will come, bird flu will come, pandemic will come, government policies will change, poultry price will become 5 rupees. लेकिन एक चीज हमेशा दिमाग में रखना है, परसिवरेंस. लगे रहो मुन्ना भाई. अगर लगे रहेंगे, ये एक ऐसा बिजनेस है, लगे रहेंगे. एक साल का जब भी हम बैलेंस शीट देखेंगे, कभी भी नुकसान में नहीं रहेंगे. अगर हम लॉट बाय लॉट बैलेंस शीट रखेंगे, तो वी विल नॉट बी एबल टू सर्वाइव इन ब्रॉयलर एंड पोल्ट्री बिजनेस. तो दूसरा हम लोगों को सेटिस्फेक्शन मिलता है कि मुजफ्फरपुर इंडस्ट्रियल एरिया, मुजफ्फरपुर जो डिस्ट्रिक्ट है जहां से हमने पहली फीड फैक्ट्री को शुरू किया, वहां वी वर द फर्स्ट यूनिट विच स्टार्टेड अ फीड मिल एज वेल एज वी वर द सेकेंड रनिंग यूनिट इन दैट इंडस्ट्रियल एरिया. कोई आता था हमसे, कोई एडिटिव वाले लोग मिलने आते थे, वो डरते थे कि सर ये जंगल में कहाँ आपने फैक्ट्री लगा रखी है, मतलब पूरा खाली है. नाउ मुजफ्फरपुर डिस्ट्रिक्ट इज नंबर 1 फीड प्रोड्यूसर इन इंडिया. अगर किसी डिस्ट्रिक्ट में सबसे ज्यादा पोल्ट्री फीड का प्रोडक्शन होता है पूरे इंडिया में, सबसे ज्यादा नंबर ऑफ फीड मिल्स है, दैट इज मोर देन 30 फीड मिल्स, दैट इज इन मुजफ्फरपुर. And 50 kilometers of Muzaffarpur, we have 50 feed mills in places like Hajipur, Samastipur. So Anmol Feed is the company जिन्होंने लोगों को कहा, Venky's wanted to start their hatchery over there. They were susceptible कि बिहार में करना चाहिए, मुजफ्फरपुर में करना चाहिए. Their general manager Mahesh Gupta called me कि बॉस क्या करें. I told him, you send your people, we will help them. उन्होंने एक मिस्टर सेन को भेजा था, उनको हम लोगों ने बहुत हेल्प किया. There were lot of local problems, so we have always helped people कि आप बिहार में आइए, मुजफ्फरपुर में आइए, यहाँ पर यूनिट लगाइए. लास्ट बहादुर भाई ने यूनिट लगाया, वो भी मेरे पास आए कि यार मैं मुजफ्फरपुर सोच रहा हूँ कि सिल्लीगुड़ी में लगाऊं. मैंने कहा आप आंख मूंद के मुजफ्फरपुर में लगाइए, we will help you. And there will be, someone told me मजाक में 2 months back, someone has come who knows me from last 20 years. So someone told me मजाक में कि like Anmol Feed and Amit Saraogi should be given Padam Shri, कि जिसने मुजफ्फरपुर को इंडिया के मैप में, फीड मैप में लगाया, इंडिया के फीड में. तो मैंने कहा नहीं, हम लोग पद्म श्री के लिए काम नहीं करते हैं, हम लोग काम करते हैं कि हमको ये सेटिस्फेक्शन मिलता है कल को कि 1000 एम्प्लॉय का फैमिली, 50,000 फार्मर का फैमिली, 500 करोड़पति हम लोगों से बने. और जो एम्प्लॉय हमारे यहाँ आज 20 साल पहले 3000 सैलरी में थे, आज वो लोग 2 लाख सैलरी में है. पहले साइकिल से आते थे, आज कार से आते हैं. पहले झोपड़ी में रहते थे, अब अपने अपार्टमेंट में रहते हैं. हम लोगों को ये बहुत बड़ा सेटिस्फेक्शन लगता है. मतलब आई पर्सनली बिलीव, आई हैव गॉन इनटू स्पिरिचुअलिज्म रिसेंटली. 2-3 साल से मेरा स्पिरिचुअल इंक्लाइन काफी हो गया है. तो मेरे को ये लगता है कि जो बिजनेस है, जो ये वेल्थ क्रिएट करते हैं, ये हम अपने लिए नहीं करते हैं. दिस वेल्थ हैज टू बी डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड, दिस नॉलेज हैज टू बी given to other fellow entrepreneurs, farmers, retailers, जिनसे वो लोग ज्यादा से ज्यादा बेनिफिट उठा सके. और I will encourage, I am with this forum, everyone is free to talk to me, call me anytime. मैंने पैंडेमिक में लिंक्डइन में एक पोस्ट भी डाला था कि अगर किसी फेलो एंटरप्रेन्योर को कोई परेशानी हो रही है, कोई किसी से बात, देखिए क्या होता है, जो टॉप पर जो आदमी बैठा होता है ना एंटरप्रेन्योर, वो बेचारा किसी से डिस्कस नहीं कर पाता है अपनी प्रॉब्लम्स, वो अपने एम्प्लॉय से डिस्कस नहीं कर पाता, अपने कस्टमर से नहीं कर पाता, उसके दिमाग में जो क्वेश्चन होते हैं वो नहीं कर पाता। तो मैंने एक पोस्ट डाली थी लिंक्डइन पे कि पैंडेमिक, इन द मिडस्ट ऑफ द पैंडेमिक, कि अगर कोई एंटरप्रेन्योर ऐसा कोई प्रॉब्लम फेस कर रहा है, मेरा मोबाइल नंबर है, यू कैन टॉक टू मी, आई विल कॉल यू, और मैं आपसे आधा घंटा 1 घंटा बात करूंगा। आई एम हैप्पी कि मेरे को करीब 12 लोगों ने कांटेक्ट किया, जिसमें से 5 लोगों से मेरी 3-4 दिन तक 1-1 घंटा 2-2 घंटा बात हुई, और मेरे को उनका थैंक यू मैसेज आया कि हमको इससे बेनिफिट हुआ। और मैंने ये इसलिए किया कि मेरे पास भी आज मेरे पास ऐसे लोग हैं जो बड़ी बड़ी कंपनी में हैं, श्री सीमेंट के एमडी हैं, टाटा स्टील के एमडी हैं, आईटीसी के एमडी हैं, उनको मैं एक मैसेज करता हूं कि सर मेरे को ये नॉलेज का हेल्प चाहिए। मेरे और उनके स्टेचर में जमीन आसमान का अंतर है, बट आई हैव ऑलवेज फाउंड हेल्प। उन्होंने मेरे को हेल्प किया है। जो भी अच्छा आदमी है, जो भी स्पिरिचुअल आदमी है, दे ऑलवेज बिलीव इन हेल्पिंग अदर्स। और मेरा ये लाइफ का मिशन है कि हमको ज्यादा से ज्यादा लोगों को एंटरप्रेन्योर बनाना है, ज्यादा से ज्यादा लोगों को अपने नॉलेज का फायदा उठाना है। जो भी हमारे पास नॉलेज है, ज्यादा से ज्यादा फार्मर्स को इस बिजनेस में एनकरेज करना है, ज्यादा से ज्यादा जो टॉप ब्रेन है जो इंडिया में, I don't know background of Miss Shirley, I can see her, but we need people like Miss Shirley to graduate from IIM, IIT, to graduate from Stanford, Harvard, and come in agriculture, come in poultry business. यही मैं डॉक्टर महेश, this is what I want to say. I don't want to take too much of your time.
Wonderful.
Thank you.
आपने बोला ना, लगे रहो, that is the message. And जैसे नाम है अनमोल फीड, I call now Amit as अनमोल. अनमोल is special. आप रियली स्पेशल है। आपने इंस्पिरेशन इतना बढ़ा दिया लोगों को। You proved that how you can tell the real story of Bharat, Bihar, or anything is the real story of dreaming cycle to Ferrari. So that is where you understand. And Amit, your dream has come true. Let me introduce Mr. Manjit. He's just joined it. He has placed him back to India. He worked earlier in Silicon Valley with IBM, with other big top software companies. He is one of the entrepreneurs who has dreamt that the reality can be done in poultry too. Welcome, Mr. Manjit, for the panel. I think you know all of them. So we will go on with the next speaker. Thank you, Amit ji. To give you another glimpse of Amit's statement, he said, customer first philosophy. Customer first philosophy has proved that achievements are just milestones once we start the entrepreneurship. So achievements becomes milestones. So आप भूल जाइए, लगे रहो मुन्ना भाई जैसा, लगे रहो अमित जैसा, ऐसा हम बोलेंगे. So all the best. Thank you so much, Amit, joining from all the way.